How's it going, world? Just want to talk a little bit about real estate. How about that? So February was a busy month. I did some calculations over the weekend, and I'd say we were right in line where January was with the numbers. And so year over year, last month, January was up about, I think, 4 or 5% on sales, which means we're coming out of that bottom dip that we had last year when real estate kind of came to a halt. So now things are starting to move along. I'm seeing tons of houses go pending, and about 60 to 70% of those houses that go pending are closing. So the market is still strong. If you're a seller looking to price right and get the deal done, you're going to get a reasonable offer, and you're going to get your house sold if it's up to snuff and you don't have too many problems and it was well kept. As a buyer, I'm seeing some issues with sellers not coming down on their price where it's warranted because of the market. We had a situation today where we put in what I feel was a decent offer for the market, but the sellers just were still living in 2023, 2022 prices and want $20,000 or $30,000 more for their house than it's actually worth. So we're still talking to sellers and letting them know where they stand in the market and letting the market dictate to them and tell them where they're at, because we don't control the market. We work within the market. We are just another tool within the market, just like MLS is a tool, just like the stats are a tool. We're real estate agents, buyers, sellers, we're all part of the real estate market. So we can't, if it was small enough that one person could decide how the market goes, or say somebody owned every house on the street, then absolutely they could dictate how that market goes. But that's just not the case. I wish it was. But anyway, I just wanted to get that out there, and really working on trying to get my first-time home buyers that we've been looking at houses all weekend long, and today's Tuesday. We looked at one on Sunday, two on Saturday, or actually two on Sunday, two on Saturday. They made a decision yesterday. We made an offer. It didn't go through today, so we're out looking again. And that's just the way the market goes sometimes. They're energetic young couple with kids, and we just want to find their home that they don't have to pay rent on anymore, and something that's theirs, something that they can call their own, instead of always giving their money away every month for a roof just for that month. You don't get any equity if you're renting, right? So just wanted to let people know how the market was going. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I will get back to you personally or make a video about it if it's that good of a comment. And I appreciate everybody looking. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow if you like what I'm saying. If you need a realtor here in Southwest Florida, I go all the way up to north of Tampa if necessary. Matter of fact, later on this week, I'm going up to St. Petersburg for a listing appointment. So give me a call, 941-677-5002. Text, call, email, jo.brown9572@gmail.com. Always here, always available. If I don't get back to you right away, I'm just finishing up something, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. You have a good one out there. Keep up. Bye.